Hi friends! Welcome to Dehans Kids Play! Let's learn, laugh, and go on an adventure together! Dehans Kids Play! Hi!
Hello little friends! Today, Dino Baby and his golden balloon are floating toward a shimmering golden portal in the magic music forest. With a magical whoosh, they pass through the glowing light and fly way up, high above the soft, white clouds. Wow! Welcome to the Sky Garden. It's a land of floating islands connected by crystal bridges that sparkle in the sun. Look down there! Shimmering rainbow waterfalls tumble into the mist, and the whole world feels like a beautiful dream. Listen closely. These gigantic flowers are swaying and singing a sweet la tune. Aren't they lovely? Dino Baby waves his chubby arms, so excited to be here. But wait! Look! A worried pink hummingbird is flying toward them. Oh dear! The flowers are losing their songs, and the garden might fall asleep. We need to help them. Don't be sad, little bird. I promise to help you bring the music back to the Sky Garden. I know just what to do. Now it's your turn. Can you help Dino Baby? Let's sing a happy song together as loud as we can. It worked! The flowers are smiling and singing again. Dino Baby cheers for his new friends. What a magical adventure! The little pink hummingbird fluttered excitedly through the Sky Garden. Dino Baby, follow me! Dino Baby and the golden balloon floated across a sparkling crystal bridge high above the fluffy cloud. Below them, rainbow waterfalls shimmered in the sunshine. Suddenly, a gentle magical wind began to blow. Whoosh! Tiny glowing musical notes floated through the air like colorful feathers, but they were flying everywhere. The giant singing flowers tried to catch them, but they couldn't. The flowers slowly stopped singing. Oh dear, our magical wind notes are escaping. Without them, we cannot sing our beautiful songs. Dino Baby looked up at the colorful wind notes dancing in the sky. Don't worry, we'll catch them together. The golden balloon sparkled brightly. Kids at home, can you help us catch the magical wind notes? Point to the glowing notes. The magical wind carried the notes through the clouds. One floated left, another floated right. One floated high above, another floated down low. Dino Baby jumped from one soft cloud to another. The golden balloon floated quickly, gently guiding each glowing note back toward the giant flower. One by one, pink, blue, yellow, green, the glowing wind notes returned to the flower. The giant flower slowly opened its colorful petals. La, 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 the beautiful song filled the Sky Garden once again. Tiny hummingbirds cheered happily. You did it! The first singing flower is awake again. Suddenly, a glowing petal gently floated down into Dino Baby's hands. It shimmered with rainbow light. This magical petal will lead us to the next clue. Dino Baby smiled. Let's keep going. Can you help Dino Baby? Point up, point left, point right, point down. Amazing! You helped catch all the magical wind notes. The singing flower is happy again. Holding the glowing rainbow petal, Dino Baby and the golden balloon continued their journey through the Sky Garden. The petal suddenly began to sparkle brighter. It floated gently into the air. Follow me, Dino Baby smiled. Let's see where it takes us. As they floated across another crystal bridge, something magical happened. Hundreds, then thousands, of glowing rainbow butterflies appeared from behind the giant singing flowers. They danced gracefully through the air like living rainbows. The little pink hummingbird gasped, "The rainbow butterfly parade. They only appear when someone has a kind and brave heart." The butterflies circled Dino Baby and the golden balloon. Then they began flying toward the tallest floating island. As everyone followed, the butterflies painted beautiful rainbow trails across the sky. Suddenly, the sky became darker. A playful gray cloud floated in front of the butterflies. It wasn't mean. It was just lonely. The cloud gently blew little gusts of wind that scattered the butterflies. "I wish someone would play with me." Dino Baby walked closer with a warm smile. "You don't have to be lonely. Would you like to join our adventure?" The little cloud's face lit up. "Really? You'd like me to come too?" "Of course. There's always room for one more friend." The little cloud giggled happily. Instead of blowing the butterflies away, it gently lifted them with a soft breeze. The butterflies danced even more beautifully than before. The entire sky shimmered with rainbow colors. Suddenly, the butterflies formed a giant glowing flower shape in the sky. At its center, a magnificent crystal flower castle appeared on the highest floating island. "We found it! The Flower Queen's castle!" The golden balloon sparkled with excitement. "We're getting closer to saving the Sky Garden."
Welcome to the magical Sky Garden, where the crystal flower castle shimmers like a giant diamond under the warm morning sun. But today, something is wrong. The flowers are closing their petals, and their sweet, magical songs have suddenly faded into silence. Suddenly, the giant crystal doors creak open with a magical hum. The graceful flower queen steps out, her floral crown glowing softly.
Welcome, brave Dino Baby. The heart blossom crystal is losing its magical light. Without it, our flowers can no longer sing.
"We'll help. What must we do?" cries Golden Balloon. The group follows the queen deep into the heart of the crystal castle.
In the center of the castle, a large diamond-shaped crystal floats above a golden flower. It pulses weakly, its rainbow light flickering.
The queen explains that only acts of true kindness can recharge the crystal. Dino Baby knows exactly what to do.
"Thank you for helping the butterflies earlier," Dino Baby says softly. "We are so happy you are our friend, Little Cloud."
Little Cloud's eyes sparkle with joy. "No one has ever said that to me before. Thank you," he whispers happily. Suddenly, the heart blossom crystal bursts into a brilliant rainbow light, filling the entire room with dazzling golden sparkles.
"You did it!" cheers the queen. "You reminded us that kindness makes every heart bloom and the garden sing once more."
Outside, the Sky Garden is fully restored. Hummingbirds fly joyfully and colorful butterflies fill the sky as music fills the air.
Now it's your turn. Can you say something kind to someone you love? Maybe a thank you or you're a great friend.
Every kind word helps a heart bloom, just like the crystal. Remember to be kind today. See you next time in the Sky Garden.
The heart blossom crystal floated high above the crystal flower castle. It glowed brighter than ever before. Colorful waves of rainbow light spread across every floating island. One by one, every giant singing flower opened its beautiful petals. The entire Sky Garden filled with joyful music. The hummingbirds danced through the air. Rainbow butterflies twirled around the flowers. The little cloud made tiny rainbow showers that sparkled like glitter. The flower queen smiled with happiness. Today we celebrate kindness, friendship, and the joy of helping others. Suddenly, hundreds of glowing flower petals floated gently through the sky. They shimmered in every color of the rainbow. The petals circled Dino Baby and the golden balloon like magical confetti. The monkey from the magic music forest arrived, happily beating his rainbow drums. The rainbow fish leaped from a floating crystal pond. The wise owl soared gracefully through the sky. Every adventure brings new friends, and every kind heart makes the world brighter. Come on, everyone, let's dance together. Music filled the clouds. The giant flowers swayed happily. The hummingbirds zipped through the air. Butterflies painted rainbow trails across the sky. The little cloud gently rained tiny sparkling hearts. Everyone danced together in the most magical celebration the sky garden had ever seen. Then the golden balloon began glowing brighter than ever before. A sparkling adventure map appeared in the sky. The map showed every magical place Dino Baby had visited. Candy Island, Rainbow Bubble Kingdom, Magic Music Forest, Sky Garden of Singing Flowers. Suddenly, a brand new place began to glow. Star Cookie Village. Tiny cookie-shaped stars floated through the night sky. A sweet smell of warm cookies filled the air. Dino Baby's eyes grew wide. Wow! A village made of star cookies? Our next magical adventure is waiting. Let's go there together. What an incredible adventure! Dino Baby helped the flowers sing again by showing kindness and making a new friend. But another magical world is waiting. Will Dino Baby discover the Star Cookie Village? We'll find out in the next adventure. Thanks for watching. Friends, remember to be kind, share your smile, and help others every day. See you in our next magical adventure. Bye-bye.